All right, guys, here's my 1953 Chevy 3100. This is a 5-window cab truck. Just amazing patina on this truck. Looks killer and really solid. Cab corners are good. Floors are nice and solid. Truck is sitting on a S10 chassis with the right wheelbase. It's got power 4-wheel, power disc brakes. It's got the 4-wheel drive rear end, so it's a 373 posi, 5.3 LS fuel injected motor, 700 R trans, so you've got overdrive. Interior, the dash and behind the cab are painted. It's got a nice comfortable seat. Seat does fold. Access to the back and underneath for storage. Nice DAKOTA Digital gauges. Like I said, AC heat, really cool Impala steering wheel, utilizing the old shifter. So all new wiring. Kind of a cool feature is this, you just hit the button on the remote and it's got a linear tilt bed floor. Raises up to access to the gas tank, fuel tank, battery. Underneath, the frame was clean, coated with 415, so pretty nice underneath. But that bed is a cool feature. I'm gonna fire this up. With that LS fuel injection, that's the nice thing about it. Fires up, runs like a modern truck. DAKOTA digital gauges, so much better than those Dolphin gauges. Take a look under the hood. Kind of what you would expect, new radiator, new fan, all new wiring, AC, heat, really fun driver, guys. It's got a nice sound and exhaust, it's not too loud, it's run all the way out the back. A nice rumble to it. There you go.